Why do I always laugh at the beginning? Yar. Okay, you ready? This video is all about giving back to your local mountain bike community. This will actually bring you just as much joy as riding your bike. One of our favorite ways to give back to our local mountain bike community is by attending local trail work days. The easiest way to find out if your favorite trail has a work day is check Facebook. Most trails have a Facebook page. Track down the trail steward and see what dates are coming up. Another great way to give back to the community is to organize a group ride or a skills session. MTB 103 recently set up a jump session at Irwin Park. A couple things real quick. Who's never been to Irwin before? Who has never jumped their bike before? Couple of you guys? Okay.
Not on purpose.
So this, not on purpose. That's why it's a great skill to have. So these jumps are all like beginner and intermediate. This is a great place to learn how to jump. The skills you can learn here translate to the trail, like the rollers, the jumps. Like even if you're not going to be like a hardcore dirt jumper, just knowing how to be comfortable in the air on your bike is a super important skill so you don't crash, because you're going to come across that on the trail, especially if you're going to do any downhill. When planning an event, make sure to hire a photographer or videographer so you can have some awesome pictures and video of the fun day. We invited riders of all skill levels to this jump session. Check out these awesome clips. One of the easiest ways to get involved in your local mountain bike community is via social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all the local trails will have some kind of social media presence. Thank you for watching this week's video, and as always, have more fun on the trail. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see. Drop us a comment, let us know if you have a rider that needs a profile, a trail that you want us to do a review on, a product, or if you're living in a van, let us share your van life story. Let us know. Till next time, have more fun on the trail.